Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to return a value 0 when you use a Vlookup and the Vlookup value is not available in the list, and it gives a error message not available. Okay, so I have a product set of products here and their respective sales values here. I have about 25 products and okay, totally 25 products and their corresponding sales. What I am going to do is I am going to use a Vlookup to return for each product what is the for a given product what is the sales value. Okay, I just put a particular product here, product name here. I want to return sales value of this crab meat. Okay, Vlookup. Okay, lookup value is the product and table value is nothing but the set of source data values, which is the product name and the sales. Okay, the column which column value you want to return back. If D5 is found in this whole set, this crab meat is found in this whole set of data, which column value you want to return back? It's nothing but the second column, which is sales. And how do you want to match this criteria? The lookup value, how do you want to match? I want to see the exact match is available, so it is exact match. Or you can also give a 0 for false. Okay, enter. So it returns the value 2946. Okay, which is nothing but the Boston crab meat value. Okay, Epo coffee, what happens? It returns 2659. Okay, what happens if I type something is wrong, or product name is wrong, or the product value is not at all available in the list? For example, coffee, I have when you type wrong, it is not available, and also when you type it coffee mix. Okay, when the product is not available, then the sales become not available. What if I am using the sales column into other further formula cells, which is referring the sales from this column? Okay, then those cells will also bring up a error when this value is not available. So this kind of situation, I want the sales for those product which is not in the list, I want the sales to be 0. Okay, and so that my other formulas won't affected. I want to just return 0 for this sales. How can I do that? For that, what you can do, you can use a if na function. Okay, the function is if na. Okay, not available function, and this function helps you to check whether this formula returns 0, returns not available or not. If returns not available, it can also replace that error with the value which you are providing. Okay, so I have I am going to type in if na function here, and I will show you how to type in. Okay, first just okay, this formula we want to check it whether it returns not available value error or not. If na open bracket, this formula needs to be checked, and if it is not available na error, then return 0, close bracket. That's all. Okay, since coffee mix is not available, so this formula is returning a not available error. When it is not available error, automatically if na converts that error to your own value 0. Okay, if you put any value available here, it will automatically brings that value. If you put something which is not available in the list, it will become 0. Not necessarily 0, you can make it any value 1 also possible, or anything is possible, or for those products not available you want to put a 999 sales value also possible. So the very meaningful value is 0. Okay, this is the way you can use not available function to convert your if and a function to convert a not available error to 0. Okay, hope this example help you to work on your vlookups to change your not available error values to a particular your own values. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.